Tired of double booking because your Salesforce and Google Calendar don't talk to each other? Here's how to sync them in 5 minutes. No more copying appointments back and forth. No more missed events because you forgot to update one calendar. Let's fix this. We'll grab the official integration from the Salesforce AppExchange, install it, and set it up. No coding required. I've done this process dozens of times, and it's surprisingly straightforward once you know where to click. So let's start by opening up your Salesforce org. Go ahead and log in and then navigate to the AppExchange. If you're not sure where that is, look for the AppExchange link in the top right area of your Salesforce homepage, or just type it into your browser. The official AppExchange is Salesforce's own app store, and it's where all the trusted, vetted integrations live. That's important because you don't want to install some random third-party tool that might mess with your data. Once you're on the AppExchange, find the search bar at the top of the page and type in Google Calendar. Just that, Google Calendar. Hit enter. Now, from the search results, you're going to see a few options. What you're looking for is the official Gmail and Google Calendar integration built by Salesforce itself. It should have the Salesforce logo next to it. Click on that one. This is the one I recommend because it's directly supported by Salesforce, so if anything ever breaks, you've got a clear path to get help. On the app listing page, you'll see a big blue button that says Get It Now. Click that. It might ask you to log into the AppExchange or confirm your Salesforce account. Go ahead and do that. This is the point where you're essentially saying, yes, I want this official package installed in my org. Now we're going to follow the installation wizard. This is the part that trips people up sometimes, but it's really not complicated. You'll be asked to choose between installing for admins only or for all users. In most cases, you'll want to select Install for all users, so your whole team can benefit from the sync. Confirm the installation, and then Salesforce will take a minute or two to actually install the package. This might take a moment to process, so be patient. You might see a status bar or a spinning wheel. That's normal. After the installation completes successfully, go to your Salesforce Setup menu. You can find that by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. In the Quick Find box, type in Google Calendar Settings. Click on that option. Here's where you'll authorize the connection. You'll need to click a button that says Authorize or Connect to Google. This will open a new window asking you to sign in to your Google account. Make sure you use the Google account that has the calendar you want to sync with. Grant the permissions it requests. Salesforce needs permission to read and create events in your calendar. Once you authorize it, you'll be redirected back to Salesforce. Now, let's test the sync. This is my favorite part because you get to see it actually work. Create a test event in Salesforce, maybe a meeting called Test Sync for tomorrow at 2 p.m. Save it. Then open up your Google Calendar and look for that event. It should appear within a minute or two. If it shows up, you're golden. If it doesn't, double-check that you authorize the right Google account and that the sync settings in Salesforce are turned on. And that's it. From now on, any event you create in Salesforce will automatically show up in your Google Calendar. No more double entry, no more mistakes. You've just saved yourself a ton of time and headaches. Go ahead and enjoy your newly synced calendars.